Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will solve a question of JAM exam. Okay, question is given that M is a matrix n cross n matrix, okay, and non-zero real matrix with m square equal to 0, okay, and alpha any real numbers which not equal to 0, then which of the following is true? Okay, so here given now solution. Here given M is n cross n matrix with n greater than equal to 2, okay, and non-zero matrix, that is not equal to 0 matrix, okay, and with following and with some properties, that is m square equal to 0. So that means M is nilpotent matrix, and we know that every eigenvalue of nilpotent matrix are 0, and we know every eigenvalue of a nilpotent matrix are 0, okay. So here eigenvalue values of M are 0 0 dot dot 0 n times 0, okay. So now here M belongs to alpha belongs to r minus 0, so alpha belongs to r minus 0. Now find the eigenvalue of m plus alpha I and m minus alpha I for first option. So eigenvalue of values of m plus alpha I, that is are 0 plus alpha dot dot 0 plus alpha, that is alpha dot dot alpha n times alpha, and the also eigenvalues of m minus alpha I, that is 0 minus alpha dot dot 0 minus alpha, that is minus alpha dot dot minus alpha, okay. So first option is false, okay, because here alpha is the only eigenvalues of this, but here already no, alpha and minus alpha both are eigenvalues of two matrix, so option number A is false. Now option number B, that is now find the eigenvalues of alpha I minus m. So alpha I minus m, that is eigenvalues are alpha minus 0 dot dot alpha minus 0, that is alpha dot dot alpha. So here alpha is the only eigenvalues of m plus alpha I and alpha I minus m, that is true, okay. Now similarly option number C is false, because m plus alpha I eigenvalues are alpha, and similarly D is false. So answer of the question is B, okay.